Take 3. Let's go.
Alright. We know him from Pentagram. We know him as one of the most celebrated musicians in the country. But Vishal Dadlani is much more.
I was a really crazy kid, like really aggressive, really violent, got into a lot of trouble for no reason. And music literally saved my life. Like when I joined the band, it gave me a channel for all of that energy and all of that aggression and all of those, all the things that I wanted to explore in terms of, expression. I found all of that with music. Music teaches you how to think analytically. It teaches you to be unique and expressive and individual and emotive and to feel very deeply. And that's what we all need really as citizens. Every living moment of my life is filled with gratitude for music and filled with gratitude for the love that I receive because of the music. And the least I can do is repay that. I mean, whether it's Music for a Cause or Music Basti, which is, a group of people who do such wonderful, wonderful work in Delhi with street kids. Help. So if everyone out there, please, look up Music Basti and participate and change people's lives for the better. It's the least we can do. I'm giving a guitar to someone who I hope will be, whose life will be transformed for it. My first guitar was given to me by an uncle. He was a friend of my father's and they were leaving the country and he gave me his guitar as a going away gift. And just having that instrument in my room changed my life. I just hope that same magical experience happens to, somebody else who receives this guitar with a lot of love for me and for whatever it's worth, I'm putting all my vibes into this and sending it out to you and I hope it changes your life.